Now, what you can do is if you take a flashlight and you can put it up here and you can see between your fuse box here in the roof of your glove box, you can see into the void space back behind. If you use a flashlight, if you stick your head over to where your stereo was, you can see it and you can see how to feed those cables. So what I've done is I've grabbed all of my cables and I'm going to feed them in. I'm going to feed them in on this side, feed them up and in and over. I'm going to reach in, grab them and pull them and feed them through to leave what should be, I believe, 3 of my USB cables coming out on this side, so I can get to them all, and I have everything that I'm going to want to have on this side, because I've got one USB here, I've got another here, and I've got the rest coming out over there. So we should be good to go there. I'm going to run all of those cables and we'll show you what's next after that. But the big thing is, like I said, the main stress in all of this is cable management as you go through all of this, is where and how you're going to run all of your cabling. And do that first. This install is really not hard. It's just a matter of just kind of being methodical about it. All right, so I'm going to run all my cables and I'll show you what I've done. So I've run my 2 cables. So correction, I think I might have said there are 3 additional USB. There's actually are 2. I've run them both, and it really wasn't that hard. Once I'm back on this side and I'm shining the flashlight into this space, and I could reach over and I could feed the cable up, and you could see the cable end come up and through. You can see the plug come through, and you just feed it through until you can grab it and you pull it through. So now these 2 are through. I've got my original wiring harness here. I've taken the correct adapter for my wiring harness. And as you can see, there's lots and lots and lots of extra connections here. You're not going to use these unless you have some of the additional options, or depending on how your car is set up. I mean, if you've had this plug cut off and you have all kinds of custom or aftermarket speakers and setup in your car, it's going to be different, and I can't answer those questions, but I can show you what it looks like with the factory setup.